In this video, let me show you how to fix FAB app login problem UAE. Now, there can be a few cases why this might be happening. Firstly, make sure that the credentials that you're entering are correct, and also make sure that the PIN that you entered within the bank application is correct as well. If the information that you entered is not correct, this is the exact issue that you're facing. If this is not the case for you, secondly, you also need to ensure that you are not connected to any sort of VPNs or any sort of proxies as well. If you are, make sure you disconnect. Now, whenever you open up the application, if you see a blank screen or just a white page, this is likely happening due to bugs. So in this situation, what you could do is simply tap and hold the application, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and cache, and make sure you tap on clear storage along with clear cache. If you're using an iPhone, you just need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the application. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out, this is likely happening due to the bank server outage. So in this situation, just wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically resolved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.